Do you know the right amount of water that you should be drinking every day? Studies have produced varying recommendations over the years about the exact intake of water. But in truth, the right amount and needs depends on many factors, including your health, how active you are, and where you live. Although no single formula fits everyone, knowing more about your body's need for fluids will help you estimate how much water to drink each day. Water makes up about 60 to 75% of your body weight. Every function of our body depends on water. For example, water carries nutrients to the cells, provides a moist environment for your ear, nose, and throat tissues, and flushes toxins out of vital organs. Lack of water can lead to dehydration, a condition that occurs when you don't have enough water in your body to carry out normal functions. Even mild dehydration can drain your energy and make you tired. Every day, you lose water through your breath, sweat, urine, and bowel movements. For your body to function properly, you must reload its water supply by taking beverages and foods that contain water. So let's see how to calculate your daily need of water in both the metric and the English system, starting with the metric system. According to an old Hungarian medical book, you should drink almost 3 deciliters per every 10 kilograms you weigh. This amount represents just the minimum daily intake of water you need. Here's the exact calculation to make. Take your weight, multiply it by 0.3, and you'll get the absolute minimum intake of water for your body in deciliters. For example, if you're 60 kilograms, you multiply 60 by 0.3, which is 18 deciliters. So, for a person who weighs 60 kilograms, 1.8 liters of water would be the absolute minimum. To be really healthy and to enjoy all the benefits of water, this number should be multiplied by 1.5. So the result would be 2.7 liters, which is the optimum intake. In the English system, it is easier to calculate. You simply take your weight in pounds. You divide it by 2, and you get the absolute minimum for your body in ounces. For example, if you weigh 140 pounds, take half of it, and it is 70 ounces. You still have to multiply this number by 1.5 to get your optimal intake, which, I repeat, would take into consideration variables like general health, physical activity, and geographical zone. So, this is the method you can use to find out how much water you need to drink daily according to your weight. Hope it was helpful for you. When you're dehydrated, you should not drink a big volume of water at once. To make sure you're hydrated, just drink a bit every hour of the day. So how much water do you actually drink daily? Do you think it's enough? Leave a comment below and let us know. Thank you.